Hello friends, I am Lene Hajjansu and today I am going to tell you how I get ready for an important event. Let's get started. After cleansing, I prep my skin with One Things toner because it includes vitamin C and lots of other good vitamins. It gives my skin an instant glow with hydration. Then I apply Benton's aloe vera gel because it is free from skin irritants and ideal for microcurrent facials. After applying aloe vera gel, I use Okachi Glia's neck massager with microcurrent, blue LED light therapy and cold compress. It takes care of my bloating, gives me a neck lift, takes care of sun damage, acne and aids in less oil production. Then I apply aloe vera gel on my face and massage my face with Okachi Glia's facial massager using red LED light therapy. It helps with my bloating, increases collagen production, gives a facelift effect, helps with wrinkles, pigmentation, and most importantly, it rejuvenates and brightens my skin as well. I think everyone should invest in such devices instead of going to salons. I love the results I get with these. Then for my eye lift effect, I use Okachi Glia's microcurrent device. It helps with my skin rejuvenation, puffy eyes and dark circles. Then I use Laneige Cica sleeping mask because it has Cica in it that calms my skin and gives it a boost of moisture. I use Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum to prep my skin for makeup. It includes lots of silicone which helps in filling pores and fine lines. It makes my skin smooth. I am using Etude House Proof 10 Eye Primer. It is a dupe for Urban Decay's eye primer that works quite well. Then I am applying Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in grapefruit's flavor so my lips stay hydrated. Next, I am applying Moonshot Powder Fixer Blackpink's Lisa Edition to cover my dark circles up. Now I am using an orange shade from 3CE's All Nighter eyeshadow palette and applying it to the outer corner of my eyes with finger. I love using my fingers when I'm running out of time. Then I'm using light brown eyeshadow from Romance Dry Apple Blossom and applying it all over my lid. Just remember to blend your eyeshadows well if you're using your fingers like me. Then I'm going back to that orange shadow and applying it to the outer corner of my eye for a good color payoff. Next, I'm using a champagne color and applying it over my lid from the inner corners to the center. 3CE's Glitter Shadows reflection is so pretty. Now I'm tight lining my eye with Maybelline's Glossal Kajal and taking out a little wing. Now using a dark brown eyeshadow, I am blending that wing and applying this same shadow as an eyeliner. Now I'm using Egglip's Lively Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow in 01 Milky Way and applying it on the center. This glitter is a bit loud for a lunch meeting, so I'll tone it down a bit by blending it with my fingers. Now I'll take glitter shadow from the same Romance palette and apply it to my inner corners. Look how my eyes are sparkling. Also, I contoured my nose and applied mascara. I'm ready.